this segment's going to look at other forms of dominance. We've talked about dominant genes and recessive genes. Now we're going to look at two other types. We have what we call incomplete dominance, and we have what we call codominance. In incomplete dominance, this says we've got dominance, but it is not complete. That means that when we deal with something, we are going to have some sort of blending of the material. And in the blending of the material, that means if we start out with our white flower over here, and we cross that with our red flower over here, a white flower plus a red flower is going to give us a blending of the two, or we are going to get a pink flower. And many times this becomes important when we do plant breeding and everything, because we see this kind of change in there by taking two flowers, you put them together, and you get a blending of that particular material. The other form that we can have is what we call codominance. We talk about something like a co-pilot. That is someone who is right there that is helping along with the original one. So in here, what we're going to have is we're going to have two kind of dominances together. When we deal with codominance, one of the major ones we deal with is AB blood type. But in this particular case, we start out with our white flower, and we are going to cross that with our red flower. And what we are going to get out of this is a flower that exhibits both characteristics. So in this case, we've got tiger stripes, where we've got a white flower with the red on it in a tiger stripe fashion. It could be polka dots, it could be stripes, it could be any number of things. But what we're going to find is on the offspring, we are going to have red and we are going to have white. So what we get in codominance is both characteristics are visible in the offspring.